The debate over whether machines can truly replace humans is a complex and multifaceted issue, touching on technology, ethics, philosophy, and economics. While robots and artificial intelligence, AI, have made remarkable advancements, the question of whether they can fully replace humans remains open. Here's a breakdown of the key aspects of this ultimate rivalry. Strengths of machines. Efficiency and precision. Robots excel at repetitive, precise tasks, especially in manufacturing, logistics, and data processing. They don't tire, make fewer errors, and can operate 24/7. Data processing. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data far faster than humans, making them invaluable in fields like healthcare, diagnostics, finance, trading algorithms, and science research. Dangerous tasks. Robots can perform tasks that are hazardous for humans, such as exploring space, defusing bombs, or working in extreme environments. Consistency. Machines don't suffer from fatigue, emotions, or biases, in theory, which can lead to more consistent outcomes in certain applications. Strengths of humans. Creativity and innovation. Humans excel at thinking outside the box, creating art, music, literature, and groundbreaking scientific theories. While AI can mimic creativity, it lacks true originality and emotional depth. Emotional intelligence. Humans have empathy, intuition, and the ability to build deep relationships, qualities that are critical in fields like healthcare, education, and leadership. Adaptability. Humans can adapt to new, unpredictable situations in ways that machines cannot. We learn from minimal data and apply knowledge across diverse contexts. Ethical and moral judgment. Humans can navigate complex ethical dilemmas, balancing competing values and making decisions based on nuanced understanding. Can machines truly replace humans? In specific tasks, yes, machines can and have replaced humans in many specialized tasks, such as assembly line work, data entry, and even complex calculations. Automation has already transformed industries like manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. In broader roles, it's unlikely that machines will fully replace humans in roles that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical decision-making. For example, while AI can assist doctors, it cannot replace the human touch in patient care. Collaboration over replacement. The future is more likely to involve collaboration between humans and machines, with AI augmenting human capabilities rather than replacing them entirely. For instance, AI can handle data analysis, freeing humans to focus on strategy and innovation. Ethical and social implications. Job displacement. Automation has already led to job losses in certain sectors, raising concerns about economic inequality and the need for res-killing workers. Bias and fairness. AI systems can perpetuate biases present in their training data, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, law enforcement, and lending. Autonomy and control. As machines become more advanced, questions arise about who controls them and how to ensure they align with human values. Existential risks. Some experts, like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking, have warned about the potential dangers of superintelligent AI surpassing human control. The future of the rivalry. The relationship between humans and machines is not necessarily a zero-sum game. Instead of framing it as a rivalry, it's more productive to think about how humans and machines can complement each other. For example, AI as a tool. Machines can handle mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on higher-order thinking and creativity. Human oversight. Humans will remain essential in guiding AI development, ensuring ethical use, and making decisions that require moral judgment. New opportunities. As machines take over certain jobs, new roles will emerge in AI development, maintenance, and oversight, as well as in fields we can't yet imagine. The future of human and machine interaction. Human-machine symbiosis. The future could see a more integrated relationship between humans and machines. Humans might rely on exoskeletons or brain-computer interfaces to augment physical abilities or cognitive functions. The Neuralink project, which aims to develop brain implants that could enhance memory and cognitive processing, is one such example of this future. Digital humans. Advances in virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, may lead to the development of digital humans, where AI-driven avatars interact with us in personalized ways. These avatars could be used in customer service, healthcare, and even education, offering support without human limitations. The role of education and skill development. Lifelong learning. As the job market changes due to automation, lifelong learning will become crucial. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses will need to offer reskilling and upskilling programs to help workers transition to new roles. Online learning platforms like Coursera and Udacity are already offering specialized courses in AI, robotics, and other future-focused fields. STEM education, emphasizing science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM education will be essential for preparing future generations to work alongside advanced technologies. Developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills will be just as important as technical expertise. Robots and automation, efficiency in tasks. Robots have already revolutionized industries like manufacturing, logistics, and even healthcare. They can perform repetitive and dangerous tasks more efficiently and without fatigue. In some areas, robots are already better than humans at tasks like data processing. AI and machine learning systems can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, identifying patterns or making predictions that would take humans hours or even days. Precision work. In medical surgeries or manufacturing, robots can perform delicate procedures or assembly tasks with a level of precision that human hands cannot match. But this raises concerns about job loss and automation's impact on industries and workers. As machines take over repetitive tasks, humans might need to adapt to new roles that require higher cognitive abilities and creativity. Can machines replace creativity and emotional intelligence? While robots excel at logic and precision, creativity and emotional intelligence remain uniquely human traits. A machine can replicate art or music based on algorithms, but it doesn't feel the emotion behind the creation. The concept of empathy and understanding human emotion is far from achievable by machines. This brings us to questions like, can AI write a novel that moves us emotionally, or create a painting that speaks to our soul? Can a robot give comfort or offer a listening ear in the same way a human can? These areas of human experience are deeply rooted in our biology, upbringing, and social contexts, things that machines cannot experience. Machines and work. How will jobs evolve? With the rise of robots and automation, many traditional jobs will change or disappear entirely. In sectors like manufacturing, robotics and AI have already taken over routine tasks, but new opportunities have also emerged, especially in tech-driven industries. The question isn't necessarily whether robots will take over, but rather how humans will adapt. Will humans work alongside machines in collaborative environments? Will new job categories emerge that we can't yet envision? How do we retrain workers who lose their jobs to automation? The future of work may see more people in creative, strategic, and supervisory roles where they can leverage robots and AI to improve productivity, not necessarily replace their human workforce. Ethics and the limits of machines. Can machines truly understand right and wrong? Can AI or robots make moral decisions in complex situations? This issue becomes critical, especially in fields like healthcare, law enforcement, or autonomous vehicles. If a machine has to decide between saving a life or prioritizing another, can it make the right decision based on human ethical values? Robots can follow algorithms, but ethics involves subjective human judgment. There's also the issue of accountability. If a robot makes a mistake, who is responsible? The manufacturer, the operator, or the machine itself? This adds another layer of complexity to the idea of robots potentially replacing humans in high-stakes environments. Humans versus robots, a future of collaboration? Instead of seeing this rivalry as humans versus robots, a more plausible future may involve cooperation. The future may not be about robots completely replacing humans, but rather about humans and robots working together to achieve new heights. Robots can take on the burdensome tasks, while humans can focus on more creative, leadership, and emotional intelligence roles. Robots may assist us with data-heavy tasks, manufacturing, and healthcare. Humans will continue to drive innovation, ethical decision-making, and the creative spark that pushes industries forward. Ultimately, the ultimate rivalry may not be about who wins. It's about how we learn to coexist with technology and integrate it into our evolving lives. In the end, the true question isn't whether robots will replace humans, but how we choose to coexist with them. Machines may excel at performing tasks with efficiency and precision, but they cannot replicate the complexity of human experience, our creativity, or the profound connections we share with one another. Rather than viewing robots as adversaries, we have the chance to forge a future where humans and machines collaborate, each amplifying the other's strengths. The ultimate rivalry may not be about who's better, but about our ability to evolve alongside technology. As we move forward, it's not just about surviving in a world of robots, but about thriving in a world where technology and humanity unite to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, while machines may change the way we live, work, and create, they will never replace what makes us truly human, our capacity to dream, to feel, and to connect. And perhaps, that is the ultimate victory in this rivalry, our ability to adapt, innovate, and stay human in the face of an ever-advancing world.